You can claim $467 worth of assets on the Unreal Engine Fab marketplace for free from now until the 14th of July. Once you've claimed them, you can keep them forever and you can even get the professional license. These assets are the Science Fiction Desert City kit, the Match 3 RPG template, and the Slash Trail Effects Elemental. So the Science Fiction Desert City kit is an asset pack with 120 interior and exterior static meshes, house prefabs, round towers, smaller props, rocks, cliffs, wires, and fabric, and the fabric is also animated for wind as well. Included, there's also landscape material with painting enabled and procedural foliage for this. So again, in total, there's 120 unique meshes, all of which have per poly collision and LODs, and they all have 4 LODs between them. There's 3 materials and 27 material instances, with 102 textures, with a text resolution ranging from 2K to 4K. There is also spline blueprints included in this for the bridges that you could create. And if you're not sure how to make your own scene using this, there's also a showcase level where they've created their own map like you can see on screen now. And the Match 3 RPG template is a blueprint template for Unreal Engine that provides core functionalities like chain linking gems on the board, character stats and skills, inventory system, waves of enemies, and boss fights. So this is 100% blueprints, highly customizable, and also mobile compatible. In total, there are 70 blueprints within this, and the input is mouse and mobile touch input, and this is not network replicated. So if you know this kind of game and this is a kind of game you want to build, this would be perfect for you. And finally, last but not least, we have the Slash Trail Effects Elemental. So this includes 93 different VFX with 60 materials, 42 material instances, 50 textures, and 6 unique meshes. So each elemental type VFX has weapon materials, slash trail effects, sword effects, aura effects, and slash rotating projectile, and a hit particle. And the different elementals are ice, water, fire, lightning, basic, dark, mystic, sand, wind, sci-fi, cyberpunk, matrix, nature, music bard, distortion, and lightsaber. So as you can tell, there is lots and lots included within this. And so I think that will be it for this video of me just showcasing, covering these assets, and ultimately reminding you that you have them to claim. And this is a big one this time around. Again, it's nearly $500 worth of assets that we can get for free and keep forever. If you did enjoy this video, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below, as it really does help me and the channel out a lot. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.